Likes, shares, clicks, views, comments, and reviews are just some of the ways your customers interact with your business on social media and on business listings.
These actions also provide the metrics that will help determine how much return on investment, or ROI, your small business gets from all the time and energy you invest on these platforms.
I'm Darlene, this is Emily, and we're going to show you how to evaluate your social media performance.
Let's start with the business goal of increased brand awareness, or how well a brand is known with its potential customers or associated with a specific product or service. To monitor progress toward this goal, look at social media metrics like reach and new followers.
Here's how it works. If you're posting useful, valuable content, more users will share it with their followers and friends, which gives you greater reach. And the more shareable your content is, the more likely it is for people to not just like your content, but to become a new follower of your social media page.
As you share posts on social media, make sure your reach and follower counts are trending upwards. If these numbers aren't increasing as your posting is increasing, then you may want to reevaluate what you're posting and make sure you're thinking target audience first.
Maintaining high customer satisfaction is always a good business goal to have. To track performance towards this goal, you'll want to monitor the social media metrics of mentions, comments, and reviews.
Mentions are like virtual shout-outs from your customers on social media platforms. Mentions are often created by combining the @ with your business's social media handle. Customers love sharing experiences using mentions.
Closely monitoring reviews, comments, and feedback on social media and business listings is another way to gauge your overall performance. And providing a prompt, thoughtful response to both positive and negative comments and reviews can increase your customer satisfaction.
Finally, let's consider the business goal of gaining new customers. To measure progress on this goal, monitor how many times driving directions are clicked and how many click-to-calls your business listings or social media accounts generate.
Once you set up your Google My Business listing, you can track for those metrics and also see how many people are checking out your business listing and leaving reviews.
Use these features to see how many people are clicking to ask you a question, make a reservation, book an appointment, or navigate to your business. Monitoring these interactions will help you track new customer growth.
Social media metrics are a great way to track progress towards top-line business goals and to validate social media marketing ROI. I'm Darlene, this is Emily. Thanks for watching.